Good morning, everybody. RV living with the geezer. I'm just leaving the raised Wright ranch, and just me and Blanca there holding the fort down with Hank and the two cats, and that's about it. But I'm gonna get on this loop that we have here and drive around. In fact, I'm gonna start my video right here. I'm going to try just to get livestock in this video, and I'm going to just drive around the loop. It's about 5 miles, and I want to just get pictures of all the livestock I can see this morning. And what I'm going to try to do, if I can do it without messing it up, is I just won't talk very much, which makes some of y'all really happy, I would imagine. But there's a pretty paint right there. But I'll just let you look at the livestock, and then I'll pause it after each one and then start it back up when I find some more. I drove around here yesterday, and there's a lot. So we'll see, if I don't mess that video up by pausing it. So I'll be right back. No livestock here, guys, but I just want to show you, this guy's got a pretty neat little place here. He's got just that small little house, but he's got all that old farm equipment out in his front yard. That's pretty cool. Got a neat gate there too. He made that gate. I saw him out there working on it. All right, be right back. Sorry if we're looking into the sun, guys. Hello there. How you doing? It's amazing how no one has come up behind me so far. It's a feedlot. They fatten them up before they take them to the market. So these dudes are on limited time here. There'll be steaks and hamburgers in the near future, the bigger ones. Beautiful horses. Real pretty. I think there's a stretch here with, I'm not sure if we have livestock or not, and to be honest with you, I don't want the camera to shut off because I don't know how to get it back going again. I would lose my footage that I've done so far. So yeah, the old low-tech geezer. So my initial idea of doing it without any sound, I guess, isn't working out. I need to get a little more knowledge. But I think there's I just missed a horse. All right, here's some cattle out here. I know several of you quite a few of you have mentioned that you like looking at the livestock. So I thought we'd just do a little tour this Saturday morning. Hope you all like it. There's some more over there. Cattle, horses. There's one place that had they just got them too. They got about 30 goats, and they had little baby goats, and nothing cuter than a baby goat. But they put them in their barn the other day. I had this idea to do this video, and then the first thing I know, we're gonna go by there, so hopefully the goats are back out today. There's nothing cuter than baby goats. There was some cattle on the right that I just missed. Yeah. There's some out there. Stay on the road, geezer. Yeah, this is, if you want to look at this loop on the Google Maps or whatever, it's Wise County, and it's County Road 4680. There's some cattle way over there. You see them over there on that hill, that little slope. Oh, here comes somebody up behind me. There's a whole bunch of cattle down there. I'm gonna pull over and let this clown go by. There you go, Speedy. You don't want to get stuck behind the geezer when he's trying to film cattle. Pretty ranching country up here. Like I've talked about before, lots and lots, miles, hundreds of miles of pipe fencing. Yeah, whoever's in the pipe fencing business up here does really well, and painting it also. Oh boy, look at this group we have here. Big old herd. And I'll get it out. As you've noticed, it's mainly Angus, the black Angus. That place is for sale if you want to buy a ranch. Caldwell Banker. Bring your armored car. Not bad on the traffic this morning, guys. So, you know, don't get nervous. I'm hand holding it. I had a couple comments, people saying they won't watch me when I'm hand holding my camera. But I'm okay. It's just the other guy, huh? It's the other, y'all aren't worried about me. You're worried about that other dude I'm gonna run into, right? Yeah, I would be too. It's not the best thing to do. There's some way over there in that field. I don't know if y'all can see them. And don't leave me yet. We got our Longhorns coming up here in a minute. Our old buddies, and we're about, I'd say we're 3/4 of the way done with this loop. I don't know how long this video is gonna run. Left old Blanca at home on the couch. Yeah, I'm sure I miss hauling her along. I could, but it's hard to load her now. Even with that ramp that I got as a gift, it's still hard. But she seems happy, you know. She was out playing a little bit with Hank this morning. There's a little Shetland pony down there, and a donkey's laying down. I don't know if y'all spotted that. Let's see, I believe there's some up here. We're coming up to our Longhorns in a minute. I hope this turns out. I thought this might be sort of a fun video. There's a lot of horses right up in here, but sometimes they're not up near the road. Let's see. Where'd they go? They're not up near the road today. There's our Longhorns. See them out there? The hay pile. Texas Longhorns, folks. Yeah. Okay, down here around the corner is the place that had all the goats. Oh, there's those horses. Yeah, they were back. Couldn't see them very well. Oh well, geezer, you missed them. I was looking on the wrong place a while ago. Look at this. Is that a? I don't know what that purple tree is. That's the same color as sage. All right, right up here on this corner, and we'll see some more. We're getting back close to the house now. Right here at this place is where the goats are. They had them all out in this. Oh, there's 3. There was about 30 there the other day. There's 3 right there. And they got, see that pen down there? They got chickens. They have chickens in there. Well, I wonder what happened to all the rest of the goats. This is a real pretty place. The horses. There you go. Pretty. Got him a real nice pond right there. Yeah, let's see here. Just about to finish it up. There's some Angus back there in the back. Sure, some of these have been a little bit tough to see. See if I can get some views out of this one. This is Loop 4680, Wise County. County Road 4680. I should have looked at my odometer when I took off. So my son, I think, has jogged around this before. Yeah, there's some Angus over there. I think he said it's about 5 miles. But there is a lot of livestock up here, as y'all could just saw. Yeah, it's everywhere. It's ranching country more than, of course, there's farmers that do grow quite a bit of hay up here to support all this livestock. Then we're back on the road we live on now, 4683, and I'll end it. Let's see. I know there's some. Yeah. There's those Angus. I think they have 4 of them in that little pasture right there. That's gonna do it, guys. Yep, because the only other thing up here is Hank. that you can see. So maybe we'll circle around and end it with a picture of Hank if he's out in front of the house. Well, he's waiting. What a ham. What a ham. Look at him. He's waiting to be on the video. Oh, Hank. He guarding the place. All right, guys. Peace out. I hope this turned out all right and wasn't boring or anything. Peace out. Stay positive. Stay blessed. And have a great weekend. It's Saturday. And, pretty weather up here. It's cool. And yeah, old Hank. All right, guys. Have a good one. Talking at you later. Bye-bye.